Every industry runs on mission-critical assets: manufacturing lines, vehicles, refineries, defense systems, infrastructure that cannot afford to stop. Because when it does, everything stops with it. A vibration missed, a fault reported too late, a repair planned too slowly. And what starts as a small issue becomes unplanned downtime, measured not in minutes, but in millions. Neptune software is transforming asset maintenance with intelligent agentic apps, AI agents that operate across the entire maintenance lifecycle, from the moment a fault is detected to the moment the asset is back in operation. Connected directly to SAP and working in real time, not waiting for users to navigate transactions, but guiding, diagnosing, and preparing the work. Let's see how. Meet David, a field operator on a refinery floor. During his rounds, he notices abnormal vibration on pump 104. In the past, this would mean paper notes, a delayed SAP entry, and lost time. Now, he just needs to scan the asset. The AI agent already knows the equipment, its history, its context, and asks David the right questions. What's the symptom? Is it still operational? When did it start? In under a minute, a complete, structured SAP notification is created. The problem is now visible immediately. On the planner's screen, the notification is already waiting. In the old world, this is where the real work begins. Searching SAP history, reviewing past failures, calling experts, hours of investigation. But the AI agent has already done it. It analyzes historical work orders, equipment documentation, and failure patterns, and returns a diagnosis. Mechanical seal degradation, most likely. Bearing wear, possible. It recommends inspection steps, estimates labor, identifies required parts, and generates a complete work order proposal. The planner can adjust anything from materials, quantities, resource allocation, and timing. And then, instantly, it's posted to SAP. In the field, the technician receives the job. Everything is there: the task list, the parts, the context, but more importantly, the knowledge. Because during the repair, questions always come up, like torque specifications, installation steps, or dealing with unexpected issues. Instead of stopping, the technician asks their AI agent and gets answers instantly. From manuals, from history, from institutional knowledge. No delays, no guesswork. The repair is completed and the system generates the completion report automatically. Confirmed in SAP, in real time. For maintenance teams, this means up to 80% reduction in diagnosis effort, 20 to 40% faster repair times. For the business, less unplanned downtime, higher asset availability, lower maintenance costs. This is the future of asset maintenance, all powered by the Neptune platform.